Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to check the RIA money transfer status. So to do this, open up your Chrome browser. Once you open up your Chrome browser, just look for the search bar here. Just search for RIA transfer status. As it is, search for it, then let it run. Once you let it run, open up this first website over here. If you're in the United States, you can track it from using this website which says United States. If you're from another country like which I am, just tap on this one here, then track transfer. Once you do this, guys, come over here and then put your order number or your PIN number. Once you put your PIN number or the order number, you'll be able to see the transfer and you'll be able to track it by tapping on this one over here, which is a track transfer. So this is the official RIA website, and that's how simply it is done. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.